Hi, welcome to Mr. Babu Biology Education. Today we are going to discussing about cross B Morgan dihybrid cross. Under cross B, Morgan chosen two different traits of characters from this eye color and wing size. Eye color and wing size. Already you know very well. Eye color is dominant character is red eye. We are using the signified symbol W plus, and white eye we are using signified symbol W. Now wing size we can using the signified symbol M plus, M plus. That is the normal wing, and M plus. So Mendel cross P, under cross P, Mendel chosen two characters: eye color red dominant trait and recessive trait white, and wing size normal and miniature. From this, female having and eye color white, means we can say here white, eye color white with wing size miniature, so white and miniature. And male is having W plus and M plus, means W plus is indicating red, eye color Drosophila eye color red, W plus, and M plus normal, wing size normal. So from this, female is having the wing white eye with miniature wings, and male is having red eye with normal wing size. Meiotic cell division, from this two individual of these organisms can release the gametes. So what type of gametes we are expecting during the cell division? So here from this, female can release the one individual type of gamete, and male is releasing the two different type of the individual of gametes. So what is the reason here? See here, white and miniature, white eye with the miniature is both XX chromosomes. This is the female, both are XX chromosomes. So that's why I can release the only one type of gametes. So that's what here W and M. Now, so what about male? Male here W plus and M plus. Here Y chromosome, on this Y chromosome does not present any type of the character. Only X having, X chromosome only containing the characters. So W plus and M plus means red eye with the normal wing size. Now, these two gametes, these are the gametes, these are the parents, Now, so these two gametes are fused, can expecting here W and M, and here W plus M plus. This is the XX chromosome, W and M. This is the Y chromosome. So W and M, W plus is a red eye with the normal wing size, This is the F1 generation. We are getting the red eye with the normal wing size. Now male is having F1 generation W and M, means what? W is white eye with the miniature, Now if you see the F1 generation, again they are release the gametes during the meiotic cell division time. So F1 generation, female can release the four different type of the gametes, and male is release the only two different type of the gametes. See what type of gametes here? Without crossing over, Without crossing over, we are expecting the gametes W and M. With crossing over, W and M plus, W and M plus, W and M plus. So here W plus and M plus, W plus and M plus. So without crossing over, again here W plus and M plus. So these are the gametes. So we are expecting these are these gametes. Now here from this without crossing over, here always release the W and M. From this F1 generation, due to meiotic cell division, meiotic cell dividing the gametes. So these are the gametes. Gametes means F1 gametes. So from this F1 generation, four different types of gametes, and from this male is having two different types of the gametes. From this gametes are fused. From the gametes are fused means W and M, W and M, and W and M. From the male is having W and M, and female is containing W and M. What is the W and M is indicating? So this is the W and M is indicating for white, eye color white, with M is nothing but miniature, wing size miniature. So W is nothing, W and M, XX chromosome. So white eye with miniature wing size. So this is the white eye with miniature wing size. Now let us see this. And again W and M, W and M, W and M, white red eye with miniature wing size can fuse with capital Y, means here Y chromosome does not present on any type of the characters. So Y. These are the X chromosome, this is the Y chromosome, means so from this progeny we say W and M is white eye with miniature wing size. White eye with second one W and M plus, W and M plus. Here confused with the male is containing W and M, W and M, means W is indicating for white eye with normal wing size. So white eye with normal wing size, progeny here. White eye with normal wing size means XX chromosome. Now look on this male progeny. So how does it male progeny is possible here? W and M plus, W and M plus, W and M plus. This is always Y chromosome. So Y chromosome does not located any type of the characters. Now W and M plus is containing W plus and M. This is the W plus is indicating for which character? A red eye with miniature wing size. Confused with W and M. White eye, miniature wing size progeny we are getting. Now another gamete. Female is having here W plus and M. Confused with Y chromosome. So we are getting X and Y, means W plus is indicating for which character? That is the red eye with miniature wing size. A red eye with miniature wing size. Last one, fourth one, W plus and M plus. W plus and M plus means W plus and M plus, it is indicating for a red eye with normal wing size, confused with white eye with miniature wing size. Progeny we are getting W and M. And female is having Female is having W plus and M plus, W and M plus, W and M plus. This is the Y chromosome. Y plus and M plus is indicating for red eye with normal wing size. These are all male female progenies. These all female progenies. These are all male progenies. Male progenies. So what is the differences between cross A and cross B? So look on this. For example, here M plus gene is there. So distance between these two genes, distance was increased between these two genes. Linkage, recombination also will increase between these two genes. That is a cross B. Here distance between these two genes is increased, so recombination also will increase. That's what cross B parental combination 68.2%. Parental combination 68.2%. This is a parental combination. Now recombination, how much recombination is expecting here? Is 7.2%. This is the recombination. So recombination 37.2%, parental combination 68.2%. So this is the recombination and parental combination. So objective point of view, these 2 points are important. So cross between this brown body and yellow body, eye color red eye with white eye. That is the cross A. So cross A we are expecting parental com 98.7%, recombination 1.8%. Let us come to cross B. So parental combination is 68.2%, recombination 37.2%. What is the reason behind that? So distance between these two genes was increased. When the distance is increased, recombination also will increase between these two genes. That's what we are expecting, recombination 37.2%. This is competitive point of view, very important. These 2 points, right?